Hello guys, today we're going to be cleaning the motherboard. To do this, first always make sure your power supply is off. Don't worry, this computer is broken. Right? Then disconnect the motherboard from the PC, but we're not going to do that today because, well, we're lazy. Next, you unplug the computer tower, which it already has been. Then you unscrew the outer casing, which once again we have already done. You would do that by unscrewing the screws that would be here on the side of the casing. We then decided to take the fan out so that it wouldn't be in the way, so we can also clean that later. Right? You're supposed to ground yourself when cleaning them, any computer, but we're not, because this computer's already broken. Right? Then you get the fan. You get a can of air. If you've not got much air left and it isn't working like that, hold it upside down and spray it till all the dust has come out.
I don't know, it's either that or because I'm sure I had it all done. So
then we, to get rid of the largest amount of dust, we aim the can of air at the motherboard and spray, just to get rid of the largest bits of dust.
Earlier on today, this is like the first time I'm logged into the computer in the library, so... Because I went from, because I did this one...
that you're still logged on the computer in the library?
No, I logged off.
You get your anti-static brush,
But I was in a rush to get here because...
and you give the motherboard a quick wipe.
Have you saved it accidentally on the hard drive of the computer?
Might have been, I'm not really sure.
Because when you go here, look, Tommy.
Clean the monitor first.
Oh, yeah,
Apply Candar when necessary.
I might have, I'm not too sure.
Let's go and have a look.
I'll go try it out.
Clean the monitor.
There you go, sparkly motherboard.
I think it was...